What's going on, guys? If you've got a 2019 Plus Ram and you're trying to replace the key fob battery, this is the perfect video for you. So first step is you're going to want to push this black rectangle in to remove the key, and then when you're looking at the remote on the back end where the key just came out, you're going to see these two slots here that you're going to use a flat screwdriver with and pop them out. So there's a slot right there and there's a slot right there. So you're going to put it inside. When the slots twist, do the same for the other side, twist, and then lift the cover off, nice and easy, just like that. There you're going to see the battery. It's a CR2450 battery, and the positive side is on the side that is facing you. As soon as you take the cover off, use a flat screwdriver, pop the battery out, just like that. Put the new battery in. And then after you put the new battery in, just put the cover back on. Just the way that you took it off. All done. And now for the last step, just slide the key back in like that and test it real quick. Light came on, and that's how quickly you can replace the key fob battery on your 2019 Plus Ram key fob. Thanks for watching.